I was doing 3D printing my Baby Yoda, and I was wondering if there was a way to view a filament before you buy it. But because the filament that you find on like Amazon or something you buy like on Amazon, it doesn't really show a lot of the color, so it might actually come out different than you see it. Turns out there is a way to view the actual color. Search up graybeard3d.com, and that's where the Filament Color Project comes in. In today's video, we're going to make Martians for the Filament Color Project. Let's get started. So I'm in graybeard3d.com, and I'm looking at greens for Baby Yoda. And to make a Marvin, you have to go to Thingiverse and type in 3D Hubs Marvin. Then you find these. Go to Kira, enter download the file, and then press the folder. Get this, and press open. And there it is. You have to make the height 0.15 millimeters because that's the same height of all of his Marvins. Gonna slice it. And you have to save it to the SD card. Press eject. These are the colors that I checked on his website and he doesn't have. And also, this one he doesn't have, and that was just this was just here when we started this video. Yeah. If you don't have very much filament, very much more filament in your spool, like this, Marvins don't take a lot, so you can still 3D print it, so it costs like nothing to contribute to the project. I'm going to start the time lapse on the first Marvin. See you in 30 minutes. Bye! So I'm going to pop this one off. Then you put this white on. Okay, it's going in there. Let me see. That's the right color. So I'm going to start the second Marvin. See you in 30 minutes. Bye! I'm going to take this one off. And there we go. We got 2 Martians. Okay, I'm going to unload the filament. And I'm going to put the pink on. Then I'm going to load this. Yeah, it's pink, so yes. Okay, let's start the time lapse. on the Marvin. Instead, write the brand, the color, and the filament type on a bag and put the Marvin in it. Or if you're not very good at writing, you can print these out. Okay, got the first Marvin in the bag. When you're done, put all of them in a box, then send them to his post office box, and we'll give you the post office box in the description. I can't wait to see my Marvins on his website. I'll put the address for the Filament Color Project's post office box in the description. I hope everyone helps the Filament Color Project by sending Marvins that he doesn't have a color of yet. Please like and subscribe. Bye!